We conducted hours of research on the best makeup bags, evaluating them on quality, design, capacity, and extra features. Our team then combined these results with our own research of fan favorites plus makeup artist recommended picks to create this list, from hardshell cases and catch-alls to hanging satchels and TSA-approved transparent pouches. You've got lots to choose from. Number 1, Relavel Travel Makeup Train Case. This large, multi-purpose makeup travel bag is suitable not only for carrying makeup but also for carrying jewelry and toiletries. It has a vast space inside of the large compartment that can be divided into smaller inner compartments with removable dividers. It's a classic train case made of high-quality Oxford fabric, making it a durable travel bag. The adjustable compartments are not the only advantage of this bag, as it also comes with an anti-wear and waterproof outer layer. Because of this, you can rest assured that all your items are safe and in the same place you left them. It weighs 24 ounces. And the 10x 9-inch size is not as bulky as you might expect, given its capacity. The Relavel Travel Makeup Case is waterproof and shockproof, the latter meaning that if you drop the case with your makeup inside, your makeup shouldn't break. Because there is a plastic lining located in the bag, there may be a smell when you first open it, but it should go away quickly. Number 2, MKPCW Makeup Bags Double Layer Travel Cosmetic Cases. This makeup bag is one of the best ones on the market, thanks to its compact size and outstanding use of space. At first glance, it may not seem incredibly roomy, but don't let its compact size fool you. It can hold all your makeup and more. The design looks luxe, and the size of 9 by 6 inches will fit into any travel bag. It is able to maintain its form under pressure, for the most part. It features a transparent top compartment with a zipper and another larger compartment under it. The upper compartment is perfect for placing small items like lipstick, concealer, and eyeliner. The bottom compartment has elastic bands for makeup brushes and space for larger items such as face cream, but it doesn't feature any smaller compartments. Fit travel-size makeup brushes in a dedicated brush holder section. I am obsessed with this makeup bag. All my items fit in this bag. The amount of space is just right for me, writes one satisfied customer. Number 3, gzcz Large Travel Makeup Bag. A makeup bag that's easy to carry around while enabling you to store several makeup products. This one is definitely a good buy. This makeup train case in large size has both a top handle and an adjustable strap, perfect for travel. This makeup travel case highlights a waterproof, shake-proof, and anti-wear design. Sounds great, right? With its 10 adjustable soft sponge dividers, you can freely fit different makeup products and store them away neatly. Its flexible shoulder strap enables you to carry the makeup case on your shoulders, which allows you to free your hands or attach it to your suitcase. Anything is possible. The large makeup suitcase is made from PU leather, plastic hardcover, golden metal zippers and sponge divider, durable to use, suitable for both home and travel. Removable shoulder strap can help to release your hands. Flexible luggage strap enables you to attach the cosmetics case on the suitcase, easy to carry anywhere. Number 4, Mossio Hanging Toiletry Makeup Bag. We all know that having your makeup right in front of you is the easiest way to see what you have and get to it fast. The Mossio Hanging Toiletry Bag facilitates just that, offering tons of space for both your makeup and your toiletries while traveling. There are 3 spacious compartments available, including 2 flat pockets, 1 plastic and 1 mesh, that are good for holding mascaras, eye pencils, lip glosses, foundations, concealers, and more. The biggest compartment, located at the bottom, is a real standout, able to hold large bottles such as face wash, shampoo, and perfumes, to name a few. The entirety of the makeup bag is made with a water-resistant polyester, and it comes with an included hook so you can easily hang it up while traveling. The Mossio Hanging Toiletry Bag comes in 17 colors and patterns, including polka dot, pink stripe, floral, cactus, and more. Who it's for? People looking for a hanging makeup and toiletry bag. Who it isn't for? People looking for a makeup bag that will fit in their purse. Number 5, Relavel Makeup Bag Travel Makeup Train Case. Yet another bag by Relavel on this list is the extra-large, 13-inch long makeup train case. It also has adjustable dividers just like the regular size train case, but this one features several additional benefits beyond the larger size. It comes with several brush holders, more than 10 customizable compartments, and double-layer makeup brush slots. It's the ultimate travel option, with a shoulder strap in addition to a durable handle, but it comes with increased weight and size. Still, this premium makeup bag is durable and waterproof, and it's easy to maintain and clean, thanks to the high-quality fabric. The thing that's so impressive about this bag is the ability to professionally pack your items inside of it, with all your brushes tucked securely into place. What we like, extra-large makeup bag with a dozen compartments. What we don't like, might not fit into travel backpacks.